All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Check it out. Check it out. Hold on.
You scared the life out of me.
What is that?
Oh, yeah.
S6.
All right, so yep, S5 is gone. S6 has come in to replace it. I wanted something a little bit bigger, something nicer, I guess. Feel a better feeling when I drive, and this popped up. Today we're going to be installing a TGK Motorsports. Those are the lowering links. We're not going to do those yet. Maybe in another video, but for now, we're not going to be touching them.
First step.
It's kind of heavy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big box.
All right, so, well, not the first step. We got to explain what it does. S6s, S7s, and depending on what options you have for the RF7, and of course S8s come with air suspension. You're able to lower it using VAGCOM, which I have done before, or which I've already done, and it lowers it a pretty decent amount. These are 21-inch wheels, so not too bad. Makes it look nice. But if you want to slam it, you got to get one of these. So it does not come supplied with 3M. We bought that just now, but everything you see in here, the buttons, installation card, the cutter.
Got the spare tire out. This plastic piece should come out. You just pull on it. Let's see. Oh, did something.
I either broke something or took something off.
Hopefully. Oh. Oh, Sal. Killing the game out here.
Man, it really makes you feel like you broke something. There are metal tabs.
This one's right here.
Some of them stay in. If you're fortunate, they'll stay in.
Well, now that this piece slid out, now Sal's gonna do whatever he's gonna do because
where's this screw come from?
Whatever.
Got two screws we got to take. I think these are Torx. Yeah, these are Torx screws. This part. Oh,
now
a little hanger. We'll just put this one.
Should just pull on it. There you go. I think that's enough. But I think this has to come out in here. This piece.
This piece?
Yeah.
You think so? Oh yeah. I got some stuff back here too. So this kit does come with a fob. Before we continue any further, I want to show you guys what fuse we used.
It's the last one. The
last one in the middle. That gives us constant power without ignition having to be on, which is what I want. So now we're just going to unplug this, lead the wires. The way we're going to do this is there's a little clip right back here somewhere. So if you pull on this hard enough, the clip will come out. We're going to feed this wire through, have it come out the bottom so it gives it a nice clean look. We got double-sided tape to hook it up down right there, and it should look nice and clean once we're done. So I'll show you guys once we lead the wires through. Yep, so we decided to put the ground where the tank is kind of settled in. It's gonna go right there. This should be a good spot, but just in case it's not, I mean, this video won't be uploaded probably for a couple days, so I'll have some experience with this. All right, nice and tightened down. So now we're gonna plug this in, double check, make sure it works again. And then we get to cutting, which is nerve-wracking. All right, so I just got some 3M double-sided tape. Besides that, now we just need to measure out how long these lines are gonna be leading from here to each T-fitting.
It's gonna probably sit like this. So it doesn't really need to be that long.
You gotta push it in super hard. Make sure all the lines are pushed in super hard.
It's in.
It's in? All right.
Yeah, it's in.
Well, we did go a little bit longer. But of course, better to be safe than sorry. I like it that way.
All right, now we're gonna start it up. It's already filling up, actually. Yeah. The back's going up. Front's coming up. It's coming up. Let's listen. Any leaks?
So what happens is you're going to get an error saying it's going to the air level's too low. It's going to control the air level, and then it'll come up within 60 to 90 seconds. Then I wouldn't recommend driving before you get that, but it does look great when it drops. So after we finish putting everything back together, I'm going to test it out one more time on video so you can see how low it gets. All right, so we zip tied these wires to make sure it's good. What'd you say?
It's hot.
Yeah, it's comfort mode. This is the end result. I should probably vacuum this whenever I get the chance, but yeah, so this is gonna go back in. This is gonna go back to its proper space. Boom, perfect. Oh, the plastic piece that covers the air tank. Completely forgot about that. There we go. Perfect. You gotta slide it over. Yeah, goes over these at the bottom, I think, right? Eventually, at the end, it reaches that.
All right, we finished the installation.
Yep, all done. Let's see how this thing drops now. You want to get low on the front of it?
Yeah, I'll go in front. And now you can do it with the car off, so. Yeah, keep the light right there. Back, go back, right there, so yep. It's tucking. Oh, look at the rear's tucking.
The rear's
Nice.
like crazy.
That's nice. That's a good fitment. That's a nice fitment.
You can always keep holding the button to get more air out, but it essentially vents the entire system. But yeah.
Does it go up without turning it
That's
on?
incredible
When you
fitment.
open the door. All right, now we're gonna open the door. Ignition should start the process, but starting the car is highly recommended. You don't want to waste your battery. You're trying to fill the air.
There we go. It's starting to fill now.
I'm gonna start the car up.
Starting to raise a little bit. The rear already went up. Kind of hard to tell, but you can see the tire now. The front's starting to go up a little bit. Oh yeah, that one just shot up now. And now, that took about 30 seconds and the whole car already went up.
What I do want to show you guys, so when you start the vehicle, with it slammed, you're going to get an error. It's going to say, oh, air is too low, controlling vehicle level. Wait until that code clears. It's going to clear on its own. It'll pop up on, so there's a secondary screen between the Bluetooth and your speedometer right here, and it's going to show too low, controlling level. Let that code clear itself before you even think about driving. Besides that, that is it. The next install, who knows, maybe we can convince Brian to get TrueFlex for his GTI or something. We'll figure it out. Winter's coming. It's going to be harsh. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see with this car, with the GTI, with the Evo, any of our cars, because we'd love to hear your feedback on these videos and what you think we should put next into these vehicles. All right, see you guys later.